I would now like to invite the chairman of Retro International Berhad yang berbahagia, Datuk Wira Said Ali.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang berhormat Datuk Seri Ahmad Sabri Cik, Menteri Belia dan Sukan. Yang berbahagia Datuk A. Sani Karim, Presiden of ASF dan juga Timbalan Presiden Olympic Council of Malaysia. Yang berbahagia Datuk Isnin Yaakob, Chairman of the Squash Cricket Association, Federal Territory. Encik Lau Bik Sun, Group CEO of Redtone International Berhad. I'm very pleased to see so many of you today at the Redtone first sponsorship of sporting event. But first, my sincere thanks and appreciation to the Minister, Youth and Sport, Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Ahmad Sabri Cik, for taking off his packed schedule to be with us this morning. Malaysian team, I understand, comprise 430 players who will be competing in both boys and girls categories. I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of our players all the best and hope that their participation in this tournament will help to increase your Asian ranking in the January next year. Ladies and gentlemen, Redtone is the business of providing connectivity, and along the same vein, we hope our sponsorship for this tournament will also help to unite people from all walks of life as a route for our Malaysian players. I really appreciate your support today. Thank you. Sekali lagi terima kasih. Terima kasih Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri. We really appreciate your attendance, and as one of the squash player, I presume Minister can advise all the youngs when you are participating in this championship. Thank you again. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, none other than yang berbahagia, Datuk A. Sani Karim.
Terima kasih. Thank you very much, Mr. K. Sivanesan, the MC for the day. Squash is lobbying so hard and is trying to get that last slot into the 2020 Olympics. And having this press conference and having Redtone come on board for the KL International Junior Open Squash Championship starting next Wednesday till Sunday can only be positive in the assessment for the International Olympic Committee. Last Saturday, Sunday were the finals of the Hong Kong Open. The members of the International Olympic Committee were all out there in Hong Kong, watching to observe to see whether this sport will get the passing mark, will actually be the one that will fit into the 2020 Olympics for the 1 or 2 slots that might be left available. And thanks to KL Squash and also Redtone for having come together. If this is picked up on the website and is reported in the world journals on squash, this can only be very positive for our progress and our inclusion, hopefully, into the Olympics of 2020. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, have a very good week next week from Wednesday to Sunday in the event. I'm proud you are now, KL is now one of 10 sanctioned junior international squash championships all over Asia. With that, congratulations to all. Thank you to all. Thank you for having invited me. I look forward to a great week of international junior squash next week. Thank you very much.
Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Ahmad Sabri Cik.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam satu Malaysia. Satu asas yang paling penting ialah kekuatan mental. Perlukan kekuatan fizikal dari segi fitness dan mempunyai attitude yang baik, bukan sahaja terhadap diri dia, tetapi terhadap lawannya, attitude yang baik terhadap alam sekitarnya, pada guru ataupun jurulatihnya. Lebih-lebih lagi apabila saya mula memahami what is red tone. Saya nak tanya, red tu kalau dikira the shade of red, mungkin 70-80 shades of red. Apatah lagi disebutkan tone, which tone of red. Tetapi apa yang tersembunyi di sebalik jenama yang disebutkan red tone ini ialah satu perkara yang dianggap sangat penting di kalangan anak-anak muda pada hari ini, iaitu sebuah syarikat yang mengendalikan solution kepada telekomunikasi dan broadband. Dan pada hari ini, kalau kita katakan satu ketika dahulu pembangunan sesebuah negara itu dilihat dari segi infrastrukturnya, dengan kata-kata itu sekali lagi saya ucap terima kasih. With that, I would like to thank the organisers once again for having me here today. Terima kasih. Selamat maju jaya. Watch something based on a real drama, basically through sports, but and for other reasons as well. That's why encouraging people to take part in sports, not only at the national level, international level, even at the local level.
I was very confident that we would produce, provided, maintain the program, provided we had the facilities.
Well, certainly we will